Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, we are going to learn a new hula step called the Kalākaua. We will be starting with our right foot and sway. Each time we step forward and back, our sway follows. Let's begin with feet slightly apart and knees bent. Step forward, right, step back left, step right, close left. On the left, step forward left, sway back right, step left, close right. Repeat. Forward, back, together, tap. Forward, back, together, tap. With each step of the Kalākaua, your hip sway should follow. Sway forward, right, sway left, sway right, and tap. Sway left, sway right, sway left, and tap. Now let's try with the beat of the ipu. Mahalo for learning the Kalākaua today with iHula Hawaii. Please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Until we see each other again, a hui hou and aloha.